Hey, what's happening? This is TC from TC Tries It Out, where I try out products that I either purchase from Amazon or receive as a Vine voice. I received this one free as a Vine voice. These are the 20 pieces black heavy duty nylon cable ties by Jen Shining. The ad shows it being used for automotive purposes, kind of like a blind rivet, where you can like maybe hold two bulkheads or walls together or two parts together. It says it is a 2-inch diameter maximum by 8 inches long. Well, I set my ruler up to point out 2 inches here. Whoa, that's not 8 inches. 8 inches is way down here at the other end of this ruler. And this is actually my second video. I filmed one just for on Amazon. I can't quite do exactly the same thing, but let's see what happens. If this were two walls together, then you would have it in here like so. Oops. Let's try another one. Oh, I thought that was the non-locking side, but apparently that was the locking side. Let's try it on the other side. Nope, this is the non-locking side. So let's go back to the locking side. You can hear it lock. And all the way down here. Wow. Let's see. Maybe I got a bad one. Let's try a different one. That's the non-locking side. Spin it around. Make sure we got the locking side. You heard it lock. Nope. I really haven't even had too many dollar store zip tie. Wow, look at this. Now, can you imagine that being in a car part? Especially a car part that might be important. You know that their car parts have lots of vibration and motions like this. And I didn't really even expend that much energy. I mean, I'm sitting here at my desktop. And that's all I did. I mean, that's about, I would estimate, maybe, I want to say about maybe 10 pounds of energy, 10 foot-pounds maybe. I'm just making a guess. But it wasn't very much, and it just disintegrated. I wouldn't recommend you use this for anything. Not only that, but look at the head. I would think that they might make the head in this direction, or maybe that's not possible. I've never used cable ties with this type of head before, but I would still think, whoa, wait a minute, look at this. Even this part isn't good. It's ready to fall apart. You know you can't use this in a car or really anything. And stay away from this product. This one is brand Jen Shining. One word, Jinshining. 20 pieces heavy duty nylon cable ties. They're not even the size they claim to be. This is not 2 inches. This is not 8 inches. I mean, even if you round it off, it doesn't even cross the 4-inch mark to round it up to 8 inches. Oh well. Thanks for looking. Be sure to like and subscribe and recommend to your friends so I can keep doing this and maybe eventually earn a few bucks. But eventually I'll get onto something that you're interested in buying. I hope I save some people some money and time and maybe some frustration somewhere down the line by not buying this product. Thanks for looking. Oh, and try my other channel, TC's Test Bench, where I try items that I don't buy or receive from Amazon. Thanks.